Hi, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and today I thought I would do a mission inspiration page, January 2018 by Mike Deakin. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and so I felt kind of in the mood to do this today. So I'm going to read to you what Mike has put out in his challenge. He says, to glue square or rectangle pieces of card or paper. Well, I just got this square punch board from We Are Memory Keepers, so I thought I might use that, and I thought I might use it on some old packaging as well. See how that works. Then he says to add white or tinted gesso, so I'll add some gesso. I'm not sure if I'm going to tint it or not. I probably will, and I'll probably tint it in, well, he's got the color of olive aqua or blush, so in one of those colors, probably more of the olive. Make marks with a brush or comb. So I pulled out one of my catalyst tools, and that's what I'll use to make marks. Add blocks of handwritten journaling. Now, I hate my handwriting, and I have this old letter that was in the pages of a Dutch magazine I found in a thrift store, and I have no idea what it says, but I photocopied it, and I think I'm going to use pieces of this in the background. Hope it doesn't say anything dirty. I don't think it does. It says, draw through a stencil in black or white. Well, I'm not really sure about this, but where is it here? I just got, and I haven't used it yet, a new stencil by Mike Deakin. This one. Put it on the background here so you can maybe see it a little better. And I'll see, it's got this kind of maze-like design. So this is a part I'm not sure how I'm going to use this. So we'll see. And then it says, add a focal image or images. Well, on his prompt, the words are Genesis, renewal, renew, resolve, wish, memories. So I found this picture that I had in my stash from one of Norman Rockwell's. And, you know, the ship in the background, she's got a little book, possibly a Bible or something. It looks like they're going maybe on some kind of a voyage. Maybe they're starting off, they're immigrating or something like that. He looks somewhat excited about it. She looks a little apprehensive. So I thought I would fussy cut this out, and I'm going to use that as my focal image. I love Norman Rockwell paintings. And let's see, he says, add shredded book or music text. So I pulled up this color. It sort of goes with what he calls olive on here. There may have been a color shift when I printed this out, but I kind of like this. I think I can age it a little bit, and I think it might be appropriate with that image. And I've got some music text as well from an old hymn book. I don't know, I may use both. I may only use one. We'll see. And he says it's got to be shredded, so I guess thin strips. And then add typography, quote, or phrase. Well, again, from Mike Deakin, I found, if I can find it in my buried down here, he'd come out with these digi downloads, and this one says you can't start a new chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. And I thought that might be appropriate as well to go with this. So I've assembled all my elements here to work with, and I'm going to do these in my large journal, and I'm debating on whether or not I should do it as a 2-page spread or just 1 page. This is a very large image, so it's going to fill pretty much, let's get this in shot, it's going to fill one of these pages up without any problem. And so I'm not sure, maybe that's all I will do. We'll see when I cut it out. Otherwise, I might have to find another image to put on the opposite page, and I don't know if I want to do that. So we'll see. So those are my thoughts and plans on all of this, and for the most part in this video I'm probably not going to talk through it. I'm probably going to fast forward it, put a little music in behind so you can see the whole process, and we'll see what we get out of this. Okay, so as you can see, I have finished this page and I've given it that grunge look to kind of go with the picture that I used as my central image and the caption below. So I think this one turned out not too bad. You can't see much of my script but I put in here, but that's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this mission inspiration for January 2018. Stay tuned for more in the future.